Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do in this video is to give you some highlights of my bicycle store business plan template in about 3 to 4 minutes. So without further ado, I'll hold on to your knickers. We're going to go quick with this. All right, so first and foremost, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA doctoral candidate, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan. If you need a business plan writer, a professional, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. Also, if you need some financial projections done, again, call me, text me, email me. I can do it. I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert in both business and finance. Enough about me. Let's talk about the bicycle store business plan template. All right, so next is going to be all about the bicycle store highlights. So in my bicycle store business plan template, one of the most important things is going to be the table of contents, not because it's a mind-blowing document, but because it's going to highlight all of the information or sections that are included in my business plan template for bicycle shops. Everything includes the executive summary, company description, industry analysis, SWOT analysis, organizational structure, as well as a chart, marketing section, funding request, financial projections, which includes 12-month profit and loss, as well as pro forma income statement. Next important part is going to be the executive summary section. The executive summary is going to round out your business plan, talk about your bicycle store summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. Any place in yellow, that's where I recommend you read. Anything in parentheses, I recommend you change. All right, next section is going to be industry research. Any good, decent, reliable bicycle store business plan is going to have industry research. So I do include some industry research from my BIS world. I have a subscription. I summarize information, put it into the template for you. Next section is going to be the funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? I give you a good foundation for it. Again, anywhere in yellow, change the information to make sure it aligns with your needs. Also, the business plan template does come with a financial model in Excel. The segments in the business plan model, financial model, are customized to the industry, and it goes everything from the sales to labor, gives you places to update for the startup costs, monthly fixed costs, taxes, growth rates, loan information. All that good stuff is adjustable. It comes with a summary tab, a profit and loss tab for 12 months, and an income statement annual for 5 years. And then finally, instructional videos. I do provide you all with instructional videos on how to use the Word document as well as the Excel financial model. They can be found at this link right here, as well as purchasing the template. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, if you're interested in purchasing my bicycle shop business plan template, it does come with a Word document as well as a tutorial. It comes with the Excel financial model as well as a tutorial. I also provide you all with free business plan writing tutorials, general. You can visit them at that link right here. You do need Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel in order to make adjustments to the business plan templates. If you want to have a discussion about the bicycle shop business plan template before you buy, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Any help afterwards, I do charge for my services. You want me to fill out that bicycle shop business plan template for you? Love to. Charge for the service. If you do want to buy the bicycle shop business plan template, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to screw around templates and tutorials and all this other garbage, you just want a professional to do it, my prices link is right here. All right, hopefully everybody followed that and go out and make a little bit of money. Have a great day. Thank you.